And so let's start with the definition of general and administrative expenses para masagutan natin yung mga tanong sa inyong modules. Ayan. So when you say general and administrative expenses, this includes all of the non-selling expenses. So basically, kapag non-selling expenses na siya, it will be a general and administrative expenses. So the definition is expenses that are costs that contribute to the overall operations of the company and can really be directly related back to selling or making sales. Ayan. These expenses includes things like overhead, management, salaries, accounting fees, and other expenses used to run the business. So ayan ang definition ng general and administrative expense. Ayan. So now, we will answer your module. Ito ay determine natin kung isa siyang general and administrative expenses or selling expenses. So now, let's go with salaries and of admin personnel. When you say salary of admin personnel, ayan, general and administrative expenses yan. Same as yung salary ng janitor natin. Next ay salaries of sales agent. Siyempre, it is directly related to sales, so selling expenses siya. Utilities of home office, syempre general and administrative, as well as rent of office building. Kapag silent yung problem, general and administrative pa rin siya. Depreciation of office equipment, ayan, office equipment siya, so included pa rin siya sa general and administrative expenses. Next ay depreciation of delivery van. Ayan, directly related sa sale ang delivery van kasi ginagamit ito for delivery. So yan ay selling, same as advertising, selling din siya. Ngayon, itong cost of merchandise sold during the year, ito ay not applicable when it comes to general and administrative or selling expenses. Bakit? Kasi ito ay line item ng cost of goods sold. So yan yung sagot natin sa ating module. Next ay yan. So ang tanong sa atin dito ay how much is the total distribution or selling cost? How much is the total administrative expenses? So isa-isahin ulit natin. Interest expense, 24,000. It is actually a general and administrative expenses. Yan. Next ay cost of inventory sold, 600,000. Not applicable kasi isa siyang part ng cost of goods sold. Yan. Insurance expense, we have 100,000. Actually, itong insurance expense is a general and administrative expenses. Ito, advertising expense. Siyempre, gaya nga ng sinabi natin kanina, it is a selling expense. Freight out, ayan. When you say freight out, ito yung kapag nakapagbenta kayo, ay ito yung tinatawag natin na transaction cost. Ayan, or shipping cost. Ayan, so from the seller, papunta kay buyer, ayan, gagastos sila ng shipping cost. So, yung freight out ay part siya ng selling expenses. Ngayon, itong freight in naman, kung freight out ay the goods papunta doon sa buyer, ito naman ay yung transaction cost natin na papunta kay seller. Ayan, so bumili ka ng goods mo para maibenta rin. So, ito ay part actually ng cost of goods sold. Yan. Next ay ito, loss of equipment. Loss on sale of equipment, 2,000. Ito ay hindi siya line item ng distribution at hindi din siya line item ng administrative. So, not applicable siya. Legal and other professional fees, kaya nga nang sinabi natin sa definition. So, general and administrative siya. Rent expense. Ito, 1/2 occupied by sales department. So, 1/2 nun kay sales department, ibig sabihin nun, hati sila. So, 1/2 general and administrative and 1/2 is for selling expenses. Ito, sales commission expense, syempre halatado, selling expense siya. And doubtful accounts expense, when you say doubtful accounts, ito yung mga pautang mo na iniisip mo na hindi mo na siya makokolekta, kaya siya in-expense na. And this is actually a general and administrative expense. Yan. Next ay, itong At ang problem natin, sabi dito, prepare a statement of changes in equity. Ayan, so the following balances were retrieved from the records of one's janitorial services for the year ended December 31, 2016. Yan, so we have a capital. Beginning capital is 500,000. We have withdrawals, we have additional investment, and we have the net loss. So, paano nga ba mag-prepare ng statement of changes in equity? Yan, so makikita natin dito. Pinakauna sa heading natin, doon sa pinakataas, ay yung pangalan ng company. Ayan, so One Janitorial Services. Ang pangalawa nating, pangalawa doon sa line item natin sa ating heading is the title of the financial statement. Dito ay statement of changes in owner's equity. And then yung pangatlo will be the date. Ayan, for the year ended December 31, 2016. So ganito yung presentation natin for statement of changes in owner's equity. We have the capital beginning, which is 500,000. Una muna natin gagawin is lahat ng addition. So add natin lahat ng additional investment, which is 50,000. So ang subtotal niya is 550,000. Tapos lilas lahat natin ng mga losses and the withdrawal. So we have net loss of 45,000 and withdrawals of 100,000. So we have 145,000 at ang ending capital balance ni Juan ay 405,000. We have 550 less yung 145,000. So next naman ito, same pa rin. On February 1, 2004, Mira Delimar opened a store that sells school supplies. So Mira wanted to know the balance of her account. Mira started her business by depositing 30,000. So basically, when presenting a statement of changes in equity, lagi when it comes to beginning of the business or initially ng kanyang business ay laging zero yung kanyang beginning capital. Ayan. So etong 30,000 dito will be additional investment. And on October 15, 2004, the business is in need of additional cash. So Mira deposited 5,000 to the checking account from her personal account. So yung 5,000 is additional investment pa rin yan. So Mira also withdrew 15,000 from the business over the year. So the business earned a net income of 37,450. So same lang din ang presentation kanina. Una mo nang gagawin ay sa taas heading. Ayan, name of the company or name of the business. Tapos pangalawa ay name of the financial statement, which is statement of changes in equity dito. So pangatlo ay for the year ended. Ayan, for the year ended December 31, 2001. Or dapat 2004 yan. Ayan, sorry. Ngayon ay, yan. Tingnan natin. Beginning capital niya ay 0. Yan. Next ay contributions. We have or contributions or additional investment. Pareho lang siya, which is 35,000. We have 30,000 nung una and then nag-invest siya ng additional na 5,000. So, yan yun. Tapos, i-add natin net income which is 37,450. Tapos, we have withdrawals na 15,000. So, we have a ending capital balance of Mira which is 57,450. So, ayan. Pwedeng ganito yung presentation natin. Pwedeng yung una rin. So, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong presentation. So, yun lang for now and good day sa lahat. God bless.